If you have an RV and you storage it or park it for a long period of time before using it, and you're tired that your battery drains, we have the solution for you. My name is Cam, and this is Florida Adventurer. Hey guys, today we're gonna learn how to install a battery kill switch. This is gonna be installed either on the front or right here on the side of our battery case. And with this one, we're gonna prevent this. Once we park it for a long period of time, our RV doesn't drain our battery. So in the next trip, we can have a fully charged battery. The first thing we have to do is remove the battery. At this time, I would like to remind you guys to go ahead and click the like, give a comment, and subscribe to the channel. The next step is marking where the holes are gonna be. In this case, I'm gonna use the back plate of the switch, and with a drill bit and a drill, we're gonna mark all 4 holes. Now that we have them marked, we can open the holes and install the switch. The next step is connecting the cables. We're gonna have a positive cable coming from the battery to the switch, as we can see, and the positive cable going from the switch to the RV. We're gonna secure those nuts, make sure that the connections are good. So now that we have the switch installed, what we're gonna do is secure it to the battery case through the bolts that we put previously and to the back plate of it. Make sure that all your bolts align with the holes. If you guys enjoy watching videos about RV upgrades, just make sure that you click on the link above. It will be a video of me installing a backup camera. After installing the switch, all we gotta do is connect our terminals, the positive and the negative. Now we put the battery cover back and we tie it with a strap. As I strap down the battery cover, I would like to remind you guys to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So guys, this is a final product. As you can see, I decided to go with a little bit more inconvenient option of putting it on the back. But the reason why I did that is because that way it gets less debris, less rain, and everything. So the switch is actually more protected. And if you learn like what position your switch in is, you're good. Now you know that that's off, and if you turn it, that's on. So now I have battery power, and now I don't have battery power, and that should be good. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on another video of Florida Adventurer.